Welcome to Innoven Foods. Today we are making juicy, spicy and smoky tawa chicken. Full of flavor, cooked with love and perfect for any meal. Let's get started with this delicious recipe. Take chicken leg pieces and make deep cut mark for better marination. Cut deep marks in the chicken to help the marinade absorb better. Tawa chicken gets its name from the flat pan or tawa used to cook it. This recipe is inspired by North Indian dhaba style chicken dishes. Place them on a plate. Add 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, 1 tablespoon lemon juice and half teaspoon salt. Mix well and let it rest for a few minutes. Marinating for longer brings out deeper flavor and tenderness. Now in a bowl, add half cup curd, 2 tablespoon heavy cream. Using curd and cream together makes the chicken extra juicy. 1 teaspoon red chili powder, half teaspoon salt, half teaspoon coriander powder, half teaspoon cumin, half teaspoon chili flakes and half teaspoon garam masala. Mix everything well. Pour half of the spice mix over the chicken and marinate for 30 minutes. Chicken is rich in protein and keeps you full longer. Curd helps in digestion and tenderizes the meat naturally. Heat 3 tablespoon oil in a pan. Place the marinated chicken pieces. Cover and cook for 5 minutes. Flip the pieces and cook on medium-low heat. Keep the flame low to avoid burning the masala. Now pour the rest of marinade and cook on low flame for 10 to 12 minutes. Spices like cumin and coriander boost immunity and metabolism. Cooking in less oil and on a tawa makes it healthier than deep fried option. For that smoky flavor, place a hot piece of charcoal in a small bowl inside the pan. Add a few drops of oil and cover for 5 minutes. The charcoal smoke trick is a restaurant-style secret for deep flavor. Finally, pour the remaining half of the masala mixture over the chicken and cook for another 5 minutes. Garnish with lemon pieces and it's ready to serve. Don't skip the charcoal smoke, it adds an authentic tandoori taste. Your smoky and spicy tawa chicken is ready, juicy, flavorful, and just like the restaurant. Try it for dinner and watch your family fall in love with every bite. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Innoven Foods. More delicious ideas are on the way. See you in the next video.